Aquarius and the Salts of Salvation series. So this sign is related to the cell salt, sodium chloride, and the body parts are ankles, the saline of the blood, and white corpuscles. I suppose I shouldn't say body parts, I should say parts of the body. But this is obviously known, like many of you know, as the water or cup bearer. So again, it contains liquid or fluid. So I suppose it's connected to the body in that regard. So when it comes to this, understand that you are more than an Aquarius. You have an entire chart. And basically, when it comes to that, there are areas in your chart that show where you struggle with health or making healthy choices, and areas that show where you find it easier. Again, a lot can be seen about a person from their chart. It's all about looking into it, delving into it, interpreting it correctly, etc. I made one for human design. I called it Health Human Design. And then I made one for astrology, which is I called Health Lifestyle Reading. And this one, like I said, I dig deep to explain the types of things that could bring you more healthy outcomes. I've done loads of research on longevity. I've looked into loads of research documentation and peer-reviewed types of studies, also looking into scientists and doctors who lean into longevity. So it is a very strong interest of mine, and I've been researching it for quite some time now. Be probably close to 10 years, I would say. Yeah, probably longer. So I do enjoy this topic. But ultimately, I find astrology, human design, numerology, these kinds of things, they cut to the information quicker because it's personal about you. And that's why, of course, I prefer it. I can get responses, I can get answers quicker than anything else that I've seen personally, which is why I use it. Now, the foods that are related to this cell salt are seaweed, tomatoes, celery, and lettuce. Now, you don't want to get the artificial sodium chloride. So they add this to, animal products like dairy and eggs and stuff like that. And they also add it to processed foods to make them salty. But the reality is you got to get the naturally occurring form. So this naturally occurs in those fruits and vegetables that I mentioned. When you have it that way, it's the way that the body can accept it because it's already in the body. It's already what we do. We just need it from the outside information source to keep feeding it to the organs. Anything that's not naturally occurring in the body already is considered a toxin. It's a poison, and it slowly will kill you. That's the reality. So again, you don't want to get the artificial man-made versions of things. You want to get the naturally occurring versions in plant materials. That's where the health comes from. See you next time.